Alright guys, it's time to test fit the new wheels. Get the wheel on. Bro, that is so close. So guys, that was a close one. What do you guys think? So yeah, we got everything loaded up in the truck. The old sockets. And then in the rear, I got the 21A. TV is going back in the box. Yo, you guys won't believe it. It's finally here. Alright guys, so it's time. World first unboxing of Varis / Spirit Racing Shock coilovers. Spirit is a Japanese company and they make primarily for circuit racing. Let's go ahead and unbox. So no one else has these coilovers. Only the Varis FK8 at Varis headquarters has these. And theirs are in a black and red theme. And I was surprised because, check these out. So they are black and bronze. Look at the bronze top hat. Bronze hardware. Dude, it's, oh my god, the machining is like beautiful. This, check it out. Like, you can see the Varis logo there. Spirit. You've got the error canceller for the ride select. So these springs are manufactured by Bestex. Tools. Adjustments.
Hold the top real quick.
Woo! Got it.
You got it?
Oh shit!
I'll
Two wires here. So I need to get those. Guys, here's how it looks right now. The springs do need to settle. Just got the coilover all installed. I put the dampening on the stiffest setting for the front, and then like 3 from the stiffest for the rear. They're really easy to adjust, so I'll just see how it rides first. Alright guys, so I drove around a little bit and this is how it sits. I think it's pretty perfect right now. The front is just a little bit lower than the rear. But yeah, once I get a 35 sidewall tire in there, it should be perfect. Looks like it's about a 1/4 inch lower. Maybe a little more than a 1/4 inch lower than it was with the spoon spring. It could use a little bit more poke. I think when I get the Toyos in, they're sending me 305/35 instead of these 295/30. They'll be more meaty, and the sidewall should get rid of like 14 millimeters of that gap, which would make it like flush. And then I think the 305 width will help it poke a little bit more. So we'll see how it is after I get those tires in before I do anything drastic here. But I like how it's sitting right now. go on my way to get an alignment, but I wanted to do something stupid. Let me take this off. So I just got done with the alignment at Lynn's Automotive. Car looks sick. Got it like 2.3 camber in the front, 1.8 in the rear. Street/track. So this is the shop here. It's like up near like Beaufort, Georgia. Primarily do like Euro cars. And they actually have a meet here Sunday. And it's like a charity event for this kid that's got cancer. And they're giving away a car and auctioning off stuff, I think. And all the proceeds are going to him. They said if you want to come out, put a table up, sell some merch, like whatever you want to do, it's cool. And so I'll probably come out here and set up a little table, sell some merch, and then whatever I make from it, I'll just donate to the kid. And yeah, I've talked to the guys in the chat, and a bunch of them are going to come out with me. So a lot of changes in vlog 3. I mean, you got the coils, the wheels. I think it fits perfect right now. So I'm going to go home, clean it up, take some pictures, and do like a B-roll. And then I'm gonna post those at the end of this video. So yeah, like and subscribe, guys. Don't forget to join the giveaway in vlog 3 for the Blackview dash camera. I'm picking that winner in a few days. And thanks for watching.